So hi everyone, welcome back to Dharmatography, and today I want to show you something that I just shifted my room. You can see a new setup. If you like this setup, leave a comment. I'm still planning, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you quickly about that glowing butterfly and the dog effects. So just follow the procedure and I'm going to provide you the PNG files, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and let's begin this video. So this is the picture, you can see. Okay, look at this, how I did my quick editing. Okay, so let's delete this all layer. Delete. So you can see this is the original picture, and I always click this picture at black background, so I don't need to make any kind of selection, and I have used a natural blue light, so I don't need to add any kind of extra light later in post-processing. So okay, now let's go to file and place embedded, and then I have a folder. Okay, it's a little bit slower. So now I have this butterfly PNG, you can see. Now before we start editing this butterfly, I will always suggest you to go to this cursor and convert to smart object, so that it will not affect the resolution if we make that image bigger and smaller. So let's make it smaller, and just watch the direction of eyes, and like this. It depends on your taste if you want to make it closer or smaller. Okay, now let's go to image. Okay, sorry, edit and transfer and flip horizontal. So now we can see the butterfly is looking directly at the eyes. Now add an extra layer here and change the blending mode to linear dots. Okay, now go to this brush tool and use the Alt option and choose a color like this, you can see. And now simply paint here. Look, you can see a glowing effect now. Let's add another layer and then change the opacity to, let's say, 34, and make this brush a little bit bigger. Okay, let's select this and let's add another layer, and here also in the eyes. Okay, now you can see, let's change the blending mode to linear dots, so the glow is much more better. Now go to this butterfly PNG and then go to effects section here, and you can see the outer glow, and blend mode is screen opacity and its size. You can play with this. Look, you can see a kind of glow effects. Let's make it like this, and go to the inner glow, and let's make it like this. Okay, so now go to the layer, add another layer, and change the blending mode to overlay, and then choose a white color. Okay, and make a brush like this. I want to just make that eye a little bit brighter, so let's make this like 123, and simply look, paint around this area so the eye looks a little bit brighter. Okay, now let's add some particle. File, place embedded, and here I have this section, and look at this. Okay, Now go to image, adjustment, labels, and change this cursor. This will increase the black. So okay, and change the blending mode to screen, and then let's add some blur, filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. So now it looks much more better, and I don't want actually it looks well, so let me make it a little bit better by increasing its size. And I want this particle effects in my whole picture, so you can Control T, transform button, and press the shift button whenever you are increasing the size. So look, this looks pretty well. I actually like this picture till now. Maybe I will add some another glow effect like this, and then press D button, so you can see there is black and white. Now go to the brush tool, and I just want to make some part bright and some part darker. So simply I will now let's make it white, and then simply I want this part to be brighter, I want this part to be brighter, I want this part to be brighter, and then I want the rest part to be a little bit darker, so my eyes will focus directly to the whiteboard. So you can see, let's make it blacker, and let's make it right now. It looks so confusing, but let's change the blending mode to overlay. Look, now let's play with the opacity, no effect, and then slowly change it. So it looks much better. So look, before and after. So actually I like this result, and if you want you can add this another background, but you can add this background, for example, just make like this, okay, and blending mode to screen. Look, this looks also better. You just need to play lots of blending mode, and if you want to change the color, go to image, adjustment, hue and saturation, and then simply make it like bluish, matching the color. So or I will just let it look like this, or I will just use the another particle layer. So it depends on you which one you want to use, whether you can use this or simply use this. So that is the basic editing. So in PicsArt I'm using this trial version. It's also simple. Simply upload this picture to, let's crop this. I'm going to do very roughly. So if the background is black, it will be very simple. So now let's go to add photo, change the blend mode to screen, then make it a little bit bigger like this, apply. Now let's do like this, and just let's do this like, okay. So apply, and to add the glow effect, go to lens flare, and then let me add this, and change the opacity. Okay, apply. So that's it from PicsArt. So I'm also new to it. I think let's add some effects like here. This looks cool. Okay, you can play with the effects. Look, which one you want. So that's it by PicsArt. So guys, that is the basic editing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will provide you all this PNG file and you can make your own version, and it will be very loved if you subscribe my channel and simply follow the process and you will learn it. And if you have any questions, simply comment in this video. So have a nice time. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.